formations. Thank you very much. Anne-Marie, thank you very much. You want to see and to hear about the formations? Here's Slovenia. Here's Slovakia. You join. You join. One Slovenia, one Slovakia. Come on, go, go. One Slovenia, one Slovakia. Come on, go up. Go make a big one, make a big one. Make a big one together. You dance together, you are friends. You all want to win, but you are all together. Yeah, that's it. Here are too many Slovenes. Here are too many Slovaks. Some white kids here. Some white kids here, yes. So it's a little bit winter there. Yes, yes, okay. Okay, that's much better. That is much better. And I tell you, if you hold your hands, it works. It works. I don't know what, but it works. It works. Sechster Platz, sixth place, Accent Ostrava, Česká. Accent Ostrava, Pompeii. Come to me. Beautiful. Beautiful, the Pompeii. The story of the Vesuvio and Pompeii and the dust, the stones. Fünfter Platz, fifth place, Kornele Polska. Kornele Polska. At the beach, the waters, the lovely beach and the waters. Vierter Platz, fourth place, Radost Impuls Bonin, Česká. I told you it works. I told you it works. Radost Impuls Bonin, Czech Republic aus Czechin, Česká republika. And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's very, very tight. Each of the following formation could have won it. But the judges decided as they decided, but they were all stunning, absolutely stunning. We have still in the award giving Slovak Republic, Slovenia and Canada. Canada, Slovenia, Slovakia. Okay, you sit down, please. You have done your job. You sit down. Thank you. Okay, die Fanfare. Third place, bronze medal, goes to the fantastic formation coming from Canada! Canada! Wonderful, great! Canada, congratulations! Wow, what a formation, what a formation, what a team. What a team. Congratulations to Canada. Okay. Slovenia or Slovakia? Slovakia? Slovenia. Slow. Slow. Both. Okay, here's a video. Here's a video. Here's the video. Come on, watch it. Second place and proud runner-up Vize-Weltmeister. Silver medal goes to Slovakia. Slovakia. Congratulations, beautiful. Autumn leaves, wie die Blätter fallen und dann der Schnee immer mehr kam. Wunderbar, beautiful, absolutely beautiful formation. And let's see, the winner, the world champions. The winners are from Slovenia. Enjoy it, Slovenia. A stunning formation. The gambling. I lived my life wrong. Here's Slovenia. But congratulations to the whole final. What a great job from all the countries. From Russia, from Slovenia, Slovakia, Canada, Czech, Poland. Thank you. Please rise, ladies and gentlemen. Erheben Sie sich bitte für die Nationalhymne von Russland. National anthem of Slovenia. And please go back for the photo. Together with the photo. Wir brauchen noch Medal. Warte, ich schicke zu. Warte. Thank you. Und nun now the winners dance. The dancers sit down here. The winners dance. The winners dance. You sit down.